Questions 11 through 20. Which energy source is considered non-renewable? So underline the word non-renewable. This means you can't use it again once you've used it. So the only thing that you cannot use over again would be oil. Number 12. Which type of energy in gasoline is transformed into mechanical energy into a motorcycle engine? So mechanical energy is what we're getting, but we're starting with gasoline. So the gasoline would be the initial energy. What type of energy comes from the gasoline? Well, gasoline's just sitting there. It's not doing much, but once we burn it, it turns into mechanical. Well, what energy can you burn? Chemical energy, because it's stored in the bonds of the molecules in the gasoline. Which form of energy is light? This is just something that you had to memorize from your notes. Light, aka otherwise known as, there's 4 names for light: solar, radiant, electromagnetic, and light. Radiant and electromagnetic. Our choice is number 2. Non-renewable are your fossil fuels. Why? This is basically asking you what fossil fuels definition is. Because they take millions of years to form. They come from the little microscopic organisms that lived in the ocean, or fossil fuels come from swamp plants. So number 4 would be the answer. They don't contain the microscopic animals, but they come from the microscopic animals. But the reason why they're non-renewable is because they take millions of years to form. Which type of energy is transferred from one object to another by a simple machine? So a simple machine doesn't run on any type of energy except for mechanical. So we demonstrated a simple machine in the classroom where I turned the crank, and that was my arm moving the crank to turn on the light bulb. That was my mechanical energy transferring to the crank's mechanical energy to the light bulb. Many cars today are designed to get better gas mileage than those that are made in the past. This change resulted from. So why do we need better gas mileage? Because we have to conserve our resources. We're going to run out of gasoline, so we need to use it wisely. Okay, number 17. Question number 17, which is considered renewable. This is the 3rd time we saw this word. And it was a different form. Before it said non-renewable. So renewable must be something we can use over. The only thing we use again is solar energy. We can get enough energy from the sun in about an hour to power the world in a year. So we need to figure out how to use that sun's energy. What is the original source of energy for this heating system? Original means the first source of energy. So look at the picture. Where is the energy coming from? The sunlight. Good. Basic unit for energy is straight from the notes. There's nothing I can do to help you with this one. It's joules. Basic unit of energy is joules. Number 20. Again, we see renewable energy. Which of these statements describes renewable energy? They can be replenished easily. The word replenished means I can get more of it quickly. Replenished, I get more of. Make more, get more. And finally, we will be finishing questions 21 through 30 momentarily.